The reason behind the Adaptive Program Portfolio Management course is really a gap that's missing, I guess, in a lot of the Agile techniques. There's an assumption that you just get this backlog of work and you can just start going. But the reality is that that work has to come from somewhere. So traditionally we've had the role of the Project Management Office, the PMO, and really it's about what do we do at a portfolio level? What do we do with the strategy? How do we flow work so that the teams down below actually know what's coming down the pipeline and, more importantly, are working on the most important things. So the course is really about understanding value and being able to manage it. We talk about things at a strategy level, we talk about things at a portfolio level and the techniques and how you might actually manage that work. We talk about flow versus batch, so really important how we flow work down and make sure that we have different ways of making sure that our backlog comes from both the portfolio level and then makes sense when it gets down to the project level. And also how we scale, from whether you're talking about one team, whether you're talking about 100 teams, how can we make that all operate together and work seamlessly. So this course is really made for people who work at that strategy level. So everything from executive leaders to people who might be working in project management offices, even down to project managers, but people who are really interested in what to do at a portfolio level and how to make it operate more effectively. So the program is a very interactive course. We use a variety of case studies, or in the case of where we have people from the same organisation, we actually use real life experiences so that we can think about the best way of dealing with the portfolio. We learn by doing, so a lot of exercises, a lot of discussion, and really utilising the wisdom of the crowd in the room about the best ways to deal with the portfolio and make sure that it works in an adaptive way. Participants will leave the course with a better understanding of what it means to manage portfolio in an agile way. So they'll have a better understanding of how to deal with those backlogs, how to break things down, how to make sure that the value is well understood, how it's managed, how it's calculated, better understanding of the flow of work coming through the pipeline, and how to scale that work back in their workplace depending on the situation that they're trying to manage for.